In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Smartsheet. If you're working with numbers in Smartsheet, being able to quickly see a total can save you a lot of time and reduce errors from manual calculations. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest way to sum an entire column using the built-in tools, so you don't need to write any formulas yourself. First, make sure you have your sheet open in Smartsheet in grid view, where you can see your rows and columns like a spreadsheet. Look for the column that contains the values you want to add up. This might be something like hours, cost, quantity, or any other numeric field. It's important that the cells in this column are actually numbers. If they contain text, Smartsheet won't be able to include those values in the total. Now, move your mouse to the column header at the very top of that column. This is the shaded area that shows the column name. Click on the header to select the entire column. You should see the whole column become highlighted, which lets you know it's active. This step tells Smartsheet which column you want to work with. Once the column is selected, look to the right side of that column header. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on that 3-dot icon. This opens a menu with different actions and tools you can apply to that specific column. In the menu that appears, look for the sum symbol. It usually looks like a Greek sigma character. This is Smartsheet's quick summary tool for numerical data. Click on the sum symbol to tell Smartsheet you want to calculate the total for that column. As soon as you click it, Smartsheet will automatically scan all the numeric values in the selected column and generate a total. Depending on your layout and settings, this summary will typically appear at the bottom of the column or in the column summary area. You won't need to manually type a formula. Smartsheet handles the calculation for you. If you update any numbers in that column later on, the sum will also update, so your total always stays accurate. This makes it a great way